Hello everyone. Today we will continue Unit 7, Lesson 6. The learning objective, recognize and practice the present passive. Last lesson I gave you a worksheet with explaining about the rule of the present passive. Now we will continue our lesson. Look at this picture. What can you see in it? And who can you see? Sorry. Yes. Here we have Jack and Kylie. Where are they? Yes, they are at the restaurant. Now, I want you to listen to the dialogue in order to answer this question. What are Jack and Kylie eating? Listen carefully.
Unit 7, Lesson 6, Activity 1, page 71. Listen and read. What are Jack and Kylie eating?
This is delicious. What are they made of?
The tortillas are made of corn. Then they're filled with cheese and chicken.
Are they easy to make?
Well, many tortillas are made by machine. But first, the corn is grown in the fields. Then the corn is picked and made into flour. After that, the flour is made into dough.
Then the dough is made into tortillas.
That's right. Then the tortillas are filled with cheese and they're cooked. After that, we put chili or salsa on them.
Then they're sold in restaurants. And finally, they're eaten by hungry people like you and me.
Okay, now what are Jack and Kylie eating? Yes, they are eating tortillas with cheese and chicken. Now, I want you to look at this box here, grammar box. The corn is grown in the fields. We explained the rule of this kind of grammar last lesson. Now, I want you to discover the grammar again here. Read activity 1 again. Circle sentence with to be plus past participle. This is the passive. So, here we have many sentences. I want you to choose one of these sentences. If you look at the sentence, what are they made of? What are they made of? Here, the answer, the tortillas are made of corn. The rule said subject, okay, plus be. Be is a or are, as we said before, with verb 3. This is the present passive. Here, the subject here is, it's plural, so we put are. This is one example. You can find many examples here. Now, look at B now. Circle the sentence that is inactive and underline the sentence that is passive. Here we have two sentences. Which one is active and which one is passive? Okay. Farmers grow corn in the fields. Farmers here, if you divide the sentence, farmers here is a subject, grow is a verb, corn is object. So the sentence with subject, verb, object is passive or active? Yes, it is active sentence because we know the subject, we know the person who is doing the activity. Look at the second sentence here. Corn is grown in the field. If I want to change the active into passive, subject, verb, object, take the object, put it at the beginning of the sentence. Corn. Corn is singular. Is, we choose is from verb to be, and grow, change it to verb 3, grown. So corn is grown in the field. This is a passive sentence. Look at the other one here. Circle. When we use passive or active, listen. We use the passive when we are more interested in the activity or we are more interested in the person doing the activity. We will see the answer. The second one. We use the active when we are more interested in the activity or a person doing the activity. Let's see the answers here. Okay, so here we use passive when we are more interested in activity, and the other one, we use the active when we are more interested in the person doing the activity. As we said before, passive مبني للمجهول, active مبني للمعلوم. We know the subject of the sentence, we know the person who doing the activity. Thank you. Now look at exercise 2. Exercise 2, I want you to reread the dialogue again or listen to the dialogue as you need. Okay, now correct the sentences. Here we have 4 sentences. There are some mistakes in these sentences. I want you to correct these sentences by using the dialogue. Show the answer now. Number 1. Where's the mistake in number 1? Okay. The mistake is chili. Look here. Tortillas are made of corn. Yes. Number 2. Flour is made of dough or dough is made of flour? Yes, the answer here, number 3. And this is the answer of number 4. They are sold in the fields. They are sold in restaurants. Right? The answers here. Okay, now let's move to exercise 3. Talk to a friend. Look at the pictures. Here we have 4 pictures and put the sentences in order. Then say the sentences using first, then after that, and finally. First of all, I want you to number these sentences, these pictures. After that, I want you to record sound for you to read these sentences correctly by using first, then, after that, and finally. If you please, send your record to me. Now, let's see the answer for this exercise. Look, this is number 1. Farmers grow cocoa plants. This is number 1. This is number 2. They pick fruits. Machines make chocolate. Shops sell chocolate bar. Now, the homework for this exercise: read sentences correctly here. I want you to read these sentences correctly. Try to record your voice and send it to me. I will put mark for your reading by using first, then, after that, and finally. After that, I want you to do workbook page 57 and grammar guide page 109. Thank you.